Hello, welcome back for lesson number 15. I put a title called Parabolica. Parabolica is a famous Formula 1 track corner. The driver have to drive in very fast speed to complete this almost like an ellipse corner. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody learned something out of it. Today's content, as usual, we have to open a file and then step by step how to complete the task. This is the result on the previous lesson. We completed the bottom portion of this part, which is the Z-15. We need to do the ellipse inner portion today. So what we're going to do is that we're going to hide this operation and start a new one. Today we're going to do a profile. Profile means to say only cut the circumference of the given profile that we selected. So today we're going to use 2-axis profile and select the profile 1. Continue, we click OK. We're going to use back the same tool, diameter 4 flat end mill final, which is tool number 6 on the previous operation. We continue to do that because we're going to use it for only the circumference, so we are not complete the whole previous operation in the spiral form. We continue with edit. Set the G54 on the frame. Set the very high RPM 4500 and 400 mmPM. Set the top portion as 0 minus 15 as the bottom, because we already know that this part, the bottom portion is minus 15. I need to do only one cut, so that's why I only use base only. Continue by selecting a start point, which is 0 for the x-axis, 28 is the y-axis. We have to use a comma to separate them. So this is a location whereby actually is a top portion of the Batman logo, which is the Batman head. So later you will see where is the start point, because that area we have a space for the tool to do the engage and retract on a circular approach. I have changed the color into dark green, so we can continue with calculate, and we can see the tool path how it's go about by verified it. So you can see that the 0.28 is at the top portion of the Batman head. So the depth of the cutter is at Z-15, which is the location we want it to be. Looks good on this one, so we continue with solid verify. Everything runs smoothly. We do an analysis to make sure that we have a green color in the inner layer of the ellipse. After doing that, we have completed the theory portion. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step how we accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you the step-by-step how we accomplish the task. Today we're going to start with double-click this operation, which is the previous operation. Click the arrow to collapse the operation detail. We're going to start with 2-axis mill profile. We select the profile 1, which is the ellipse, and then we click OK. We're going to use back the same tool, which is tool number 6, which is D4, diameter 4, flat end mill final. So we click that, followed by the edit. We need to set the frame, the G54 frame. So set that G54. The speed is 4500 and the feed rate is 400. Boundary is going to be 0 and minus 15. We only need to do one cut, so that is base only. Start point is going to be 0, 28. And the engage as well as the retract, we put a circular approach of 2. Display, we're going to change the color to dark green. And follow with calculate. After that, we do a verify operation. Set the G54. We can tilt the part, see how it go about. So you can see step by step. The Z is minus 15, so this is what we expected. So let us see how it go about by clicking it. So you can see that the tool is running the inner portion of the ellipse. This will complete the ellipse final dimension. We only left the outer portion of the Batman. Okay, it looks good. We close this and we're going to close this one as well. We're going to do a solid verify. Do that running at the high speed. Everything looks good. Let me tilt with the angle. We need to do one more thing, which is the option analysis visual. Everything looks green, meaning to say the inner layer of the ellipse looks green, meaning to say that this is actually to the size that we want it to be. Let us close this tool and save the file. Thank you very much for watching. So I hope that you learned something out of it. I see you as the next lesson. Bye bye.